Hello and welcome to the Propertybase Salesforce Edition and Google Calendar integration video. We're going to show you how to connect the two apps so that any events and tasks you create in Propertybase Salesforce Edition show up in your Google Calendar and you get those alerts on your smart device so you never miss an appointment again. My name is Gabe. I'm with API Nation. We build these integrations to make sure all your apps are living together in harmony so that all the computers are handling computer things and you can go handle human things. So let's take a look. This is Propertybase Salesforce Edition. And to set up this integration, you're just going to go up here to the app launcher. You're going to click there. And you're going to look for Control Center down here. Click that guy. And this has a variety of options, general marketing options, and we are looking for integrations. Here we go, and there's a Google Sync button we can click, and then we're going to click Configure Sync. And this will take us to a page with all the Propertybase API Nation integrations. And we today are doing Google Calendar, so I'm going to click that. And here you can see there's a bunch of information about the Propertybase and Google Calendar integration, some frequently asked questions you can look at. Let's get them connected. And connecting the apps is what we do best. It's pretty simple. You're just going to click Connect Propertybase. And Propertybase is not connected, so we're now going to connect Google Calendar. Just click this and select the Google account you want to link. So there it is, and then just allow. And then we have, here's our account for Propertybase, it's ready to sync. Our account for Google Calendar, ready to go. Great, so now it's going to ask you, you'd like to sync Propertybase tasks and events to Google Calendar, and you can just hit Start Sync. Now you can see you have two active workflows, one taking events from Propertybase and syncing them to Google Calendar, and the other taking tasks. So let me show you what that looks like when it's firing now. So when we go to Propertybase, you can see we're going to schedule an appointment here. We're going to schedule a showing for this Wednesday. We're going to show this house from about 1 to 3:30. We can just make some notes where the house is, 345 West Main Street. A little description. Great, so we've saved it in Propertybase. We can go over to Google Calendar here. There it is, there's the showing. There's all the information we input. See this address, you can click on it. It'll take you to a Google Maps where that address is, so you can refresh your memory about where that showing is going to be. This one's a fictional showing, so that's not a real place we're going to sell. And then this also has a link, so you can go right back to Propertybase and take a look at it. And then there's the description we put in there. So here's that showing page in Propertybase that we've created. You'll also notice we've put the 15 minutes before notification, just like you had in Propertybase. So there we go, that's events. Now let's take a look at tasks. So let's create a task in Propertybase. I'm going to make a new task. And I want to send a letter to Abby. Just a quick thank you letter. Thanks for coming out to a showing. And I think she has a lot of potential, so I'll mark her as such. And I want to do it by this Friday. So make some little comments here, remind me what this is about, and save that task. There we go, the task is created in Propertybase. When the integration fires within about 15 minutes, you should see that task here in Google Calendar. There it is, send letter. And just like the events, there's a link that goes back to Propertybase and all the task description. So there's the notes, the information. She's a high priority, she's a great opportunity. And you can go back and compare just to make sure, but it's all there. So that's it. That's how you sync your events and tasks from Propertybase Salesforce Edition to Google Calendar. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@apination.com or give us a phone call. We love doing this stuff.